of Assam extends lockdown till June 22, relaxations granted to some districts. Good morning viewers, you're watching Kirby Anlong Live Morning News with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. The government of Assam has extended the COVID-19 lockdown till June 22. This was notified on Tuesday through the Assam State Disaster Management Authority. Restrictions related to containment zones, gatherings, workplaces, educational institutions, public transport, restriction on movement of individuals including night curfew, restriction on inter-district transport services will continue to be enforced. However, lockdown have been relaxed for South Salmara, Majuli, Bongaigaon, Chirang, Udalguri, West Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao and Charaideo district, where the positive cases are showing less than 400 cumulatively in last 10 days, and movement of individuals is allowed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Lockdown rules will continue in districts like Kachar, Tinsukia, Dibrugarh, Sonitpur and Nagaon, where total numbers of cumulative cases and per-day cases are still high. All government and private employees who have taken both doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been directed to attend office. Government and semi-government officers in the rank of deputy secretary and above and senior executives in non-government sector, along with the key support staff, will have to attend the office for emergency and urgent works, irrespective of the vaccination status. Organizations rendering essential or emergency services, law enforcement services and election work will continue working without any restriction. News Desk report for Kirby Anlong Live. In a news that has come from Nilip constituency, residents of Sartherongpar village under Tarapung polling station are yet to receive the additional rice from the local lamps. The ration card holders of the locality had expressed their anger before our correspondent. With an aim to assist the poor families of the rural as well as urban areas in this period of trouble by the pandemic COVID-19, the government had announced free rice for all. Accordingly, the ration card holders of Karbi Anglong are being given additional rice and the distribution works are being carried out by the various lamps of the different constituencies. However, the residents of Sartherongpar village under Nilip lamps are yet to receive their rice. Locals told Kirby Anlong Live that their Gulf FP shop owner, Kamsing Kro, had been very irregular in distributing rice to the beneficiaries. In the past 5 years, there had been partiality in rice distribution to those from the interior parts of the area. Besides not receiving the developmental schemes, the people are being deprived of their basic needs. Frosmi Pangchopi, a local woman who has a ration card on her name, told Kirby Anlong Live that till date she had received rice only 4 times. While names of several card holders have been allegedly struck off from the list. On the other hand, there was a huge anger among the people of Sartherongpar village who have also not received additional rice being provided by the lamps through FP shop owner Kamsing Kro after he claimed that the additional rice meant for free distribution had gone missing. Villagers had now asked as to how the rice being brought from the lamps office to the FP shop can go missing. The villagers alleged the FP shop and the local committee are equally responsible for storing rice and distribution, and now suspicion is growing with many saying that there is something fishy going on. It may be mentioned that Sartherongpar is located almost 10 kilometers away from Dolamara in the Longhup Hills area. They have to trek through the jungles and hills to reach the town. They are facing huge problems due to the pandemic, and the little help provided to them by the government being denied is an injustice. Authorities must therefore take proper steps to solve the problem. RG Sonrongpar from Dolamara for Kirby Anlong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Kirby Anlong Live and stay safe.